Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to Wealth Warriors, where we make managing your money a breeze. I'm your name, and today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of financial well-being, saving money. But hold on, this isn't just any ordinary saving tips video. We're going to reveal the ultimate tool that will revolutionize the way you save money. It's time to take control of your finances and secure your future. Stick around to the end for a special bonus tip that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Part 2, the importance of saving money. Before we unveil our top tool, let's talk about why saving money is so important. Saving isn't just about putting away a few dollars each month. It's about building a safety net, planning for the future, and achieving your financial goals. Whether it's an emergency fund, a down payment for a house, or a dream vacation, having a solid saving strategy is key. Research shows that people who save regularly are more likely to achieve financial stability and peace of mind. They can handle unexpected expenses, avoid debt, and take advantage of investment opportunities. So if you want to be financially free, saving money is non-negotiable. Part 3, common challenges in saving money. But let's be real, saving money isn't always easy. There are countless challenges that can derail even the best intentions. From unexpected bills to lifestyle inflation, it's easy to see your savings dwindle. Plus, with so many tempting spending options, staying disciplined can be tough. That's why having the right tool is essential. It can help you stay on track, make informed decisions, and ultimately reach your saving goals faster. Part 4, introducing the best tool for saving money. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The best tool for saving money is Rocket Money. This tool has revolutionized the way millions of people manage their finances. It's packed with features designed to help you save more effectively and efficiently. Let's dive into what makes Rocket Money stand out from the rest. First, it offers personalized budgeting. You can set your saving goals, track your spending, and get real-time insights into your financial habits. Part 5, deep dive into the tool's features. Feature 1, personalized budgeting. With personalized budgeting, you can create a budget that fits your unique financial situation. No more one-size-fits-all solutions. Rocket Money analyzes your income and expenses, providing recommendations tailored to your needs. Feature 2, automated savings. Next up is automated savings. This feature takes the guesswork out of saving. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account, ensuring you save consistently without even thinking about it. Feature 3, expense tracking. Expense tracking is another game changer. With Rocket Money, you can easily categorize your spending, identify trends, and find areas where you can cut back. Feature 4, savings challenges. Feeling competitive? Try the savings challenges. These are fun and engaging ways to boost your savings. You can participate in challenges like the 52-week savings challenge or the no-spend month. Feature 5, financial education resources. Rocket Money also offers a wealth of financial education resources. From articles and videos to webinars and community forums, you can learn everything you need to know about managing your money. Part 6, real-life success stories. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some real-life success stories from people who have transformed their finances using Rocket Money. Part 7, how to get started with Rocket Money. Ready to start saving like a pro? Getting started with Rocket Money is easy. Simply download the app or visit their website, create an account, and start exploring all the features we've discussed. Part 8, advanced tips for maximizing savings. Once you're set up, there are even more advanced tips and tricks you can use to maximize your savings. From leveraging cashback rewards to optimizing your investment strategy, Rocket Money has got you covered. Part 9, special bonus tip. And now, as promised, here's a special bonus tip just for you. One of the best ways to supercharge your savings is to open high-yield savings account. This simple strategy can make a huge difference over time, helping you reach your financial goals even faster. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on managing your money. And remember, saving money isn't just about what you save, but how you save. With the right tool and the right mindset, you can achieve financial freedom. Until next time, happy saving. ChatGPT can make mistakes.